you are the leader, so lead, right? And it's very important because when you arrive at the table, and so people will follow you. When you arrive at the table, you've got to be the first one there because you've got to pick the power seat. If you're not the first one there, someone else might take it. And then you're at a disadvantage. So you lead. You lead to the table, you go to the chair, and you stand. You don't sit, but you stand. You place your hands lightly on the back of the chair, the power chair. You don't grip it, right? Lightly stand there. And that's when you become gracious. Please, everyone sit. And the people sit, and then you sit. Now, I've mentioned this power seat. What is the power seat? Which seat at a table is the power seat? Facing the door. You watch a lot of Westerns, my friend. Back to the wall, face the door, right? This gentleman is absolutely